have to move that motherfucker out the way because you're killing my tongue right now.
Yeah.
Sorry, but you're killing my tongue.
Oh, you're good.
Right
You're
now.
good. You're awesome. We got the legend in the building. Got the legends in the building.
Getting it done, baby.
No one better, baby. No one better. Y'all see the background. Y'all see where we at. Had to call in the real big dogs. Say what's up to the cam, Tim.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We down here in Little Rock, the Little Rock,
Come on
where
in.
the big rock gonna be going down.
Brian did it, it's all his fault.
And see, this lady right here, she gonna make sure that everything sounds perfect.
That's right.
Right.
Gotta have a woman's touch on it, you know what
She
I'm
gonna
saying?
put that TLC, that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Tina Marie, uh-oh.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what we got going on here, y'all. We're getting projectors ready for tonight.
That's right. Get it right.
Yeah. Let's start going live more often for everybody to see, man, so y'all can see what I grew up doing and just my life a little bit, you know? Because you don't know unless I tell you, so. See down here, they're getting the lights ready. They're gonna take this nice long truss bar right here, as you see, and they're gonna take it up and they're gonna raise it up. Kind of like similar to how those is hanging in the air, but higher. Those are gonna be the lights on us tonight. So it's gonna look really good.